Off the frame. Stuff's falling apart in my garage. Happy New Year, everyone. Welcome back. Sam and Alex are on their way over to give me a hand to get this tub off the frame. I don't really have a plan for this video, but we're gonna get started with that. It's a new year, same Jeep project. Let's get to work. When I made my body mounts, I fabricated flange nuts into the floor of the body. This is my first time taking them apart since I bolted the body on. I shouldn't need anything other than my 3/4. Look at that. Unbolts right away, don't need a wrench up top. Flange nut. That worked out awesome. Let's give me some of this. Hello, washer. One, two more. All right, all 8 bolts are done. Just gonna wait for the guys to get here and we'll get this tub off. Sweet. Man, they got an awesome bug. Well, as you guys saw, Sam and Alex are here, and we struggled to get the tub off the frame. And what are we doing, guys?
New game plan. Since Cody's, whether you consider them rockers,
I guess rockers that are, mangled.
they are less than ideal. And I just boat sided my Jeep, and Cody toys around with the idea of boat siding his in the future, but what better time than now? So we're gonna roll, frame back in, throw the tub back on it, and just look to see if it's gonna be a possibility.
Yeah, because again, I have a custom floor. I've already built my cage to mount to the floor that's there, and we have to cut into the floor for a boat side. So all the struggling we just did to get the tub off, we're gonna put it back on so we can see if we can boat side it now. Yeah.
If you're gonna do it, you gotta do it now.
Well, we're doing it. As you can see, Sam has the tape marking everything that's going to get cut off. So pretty much anything below the tape right there is gone. We are going to go ahead and ditch this style slider, and we're going to mount everything off the frame. So boat siding it is.
Rust Elite 2023, take 1.
We should get a hammer.
Bigger hammer?
Yeah, bigger.
Okay.
Good morning, everyone. It is a new day, and I had the weirdest dream last night. I thought that we'd cut my Jeep open again. Oh no, it wasn't a dream. Yep. gigantic hole in the side of the Jeep. Huh. So we decided, obviously, as you guys just saw, on cutting the boat sides or doing this, and I'm okay with it. It's gonna turn out awesome. It's just a little bit more work, and yeah. So the camera died last night. The guys left probably a little after midnight, and that is where we are at. We haven't touched the passenger side, so if you didn't remember, this is how it looked. Motor belt slider came all the way down to there, the nice tube and step out. Don't get me wrong, I love this. I think these sliders are awesome. They look awesome. The way they match up with the corner armor, everything fits nice and looks nice. I was going to keep these, but they've been on the Jeep now for a little bit, and I honestly forgot how rough my rockers were. And I remember when I did the floor that I contemplated replacing the rockers because the body was that bad. But then I was like, it'll just get covered up with the sliders. I didn't care at the time. We pulled it back off and realized how bad, at least the driver's side is. I don't think the passenger side's that bad. But with Sam just boat siding his Jeep, it was fresh in his head. And knowing that I wanted to do this one day, Sam was right. I'm at a good point to do it. I might as well just do it. So this is gonna make it more altered. Real quick before I get back to cutting, just so you guys can see, we made our initial cut this low across just to see what it would look like, and then I definitely wanted it higher, so we've decided up there, and I have this scrap template piece here that's gonna go just to show how it will fit. So it'll be something like that. Let me get this up there so you guys can get a better idea. The new boat side body, as you can see, instead of coming straight down to here, it will taper in to here, which will give me a bunch of clearance here. And then instead of having a slider tube that comes out, it's only 4 inches past the body, but now I'll be able to tuck the slider much closer to the tub, which will give me a bunch of clearance between the tires here, but still give you the protection and the ability to slide over rocks as well. Again, I didn't plan this. I didn't even know where this video was gonna go. I didn't think the video was gonna get to here and cutting more holes in my Jeep, but yeah. If you're interested on how this process worked for Sam, his video is live on his channel. So head to his channel and check that out. So this video is mostly going to be getting the sheet metal on the body done and whatever else I can cram into it. So let's get to work. Diablo. Getting there. We are, I got everything back. I'm more and more glad that I did this because even though I redid all the floor and I felt like I cut most of this tub out, there's still tons of rust. I'm sure you guys just saw. If I did all that, might as well do this. It's making more sense, and I'm more glad that I cut all this junk out. enough work for the day because I don't have any sheet metal, so I gotta go get that. And I'm gonna go spend time with the baby. So I will see you guys back out here. Have a good night. All right, back out in the shop. Just got the chill taken off. It was like 32 degrees when I first stepped in here. So it's a little hazy because I got the fire going, but we're back in here. So just got off work. But yesterday, Sam, I stopped over at his place and he hooked me up with 2 pieces of sheet metal that he had left over from when he did his boat sides. And that should hopefully be what I need to finish mine. So thank you, Sam. That was it's a huge help because 1, I don't have to source the sheet metal, and 2, it's expensive right now. So big thank you to Sam. Also, Sam actually had a huge milestone yesterday, right when I got there. So that was awesome to see and actually be there to experience it. And I'm gonna slide in a little clip right here as a teaser. If you guys want to see what actually happened after that clip, you have to head over to Sam's channel and check out his most recent video because it was super cool and very exciting. All right, back at it. Don't got much time tonight, but I'm going to try to start getting this new sheet metal formed up and see what I need to do to fit it in there. I don't know. Where to get to it. Let's go. That was a lot of work, but it is pretty seamless. I mean, there's a couple spots that like that I still could clean up, but overall, that is now part of the tub. It's not easy to do this, but it is rewarding. It looks good. Well, everyone, it's a new day. It is much warmer outside. Can't believe this video started somewhere when we were like 30 degrees in here, but it's 70 today for February. Can't complain. Chase and I are out in the garage and the Jeep is here. I think I'm going to end the video here because I'm at a good stopping point. The video is already getting a little long. And really, you guys don't want to see me do the whole passenger side when you just saw me do the driver's side. So I'm going to work on the passenger side off camera, get that done, and get ready for the next video. Speaking of the next video, hopefully I'll get the passenger side, boat side done. And then we can flip the tub over finally, get it off the frame, finish welding out, finish out the floor, and call the floor finally done? That'd be nice. It'd be nice to do that. Another reason I can't really continue working is because my welder is not on the cart. So Sam's welder kind of died on him again. So unfortunately for him, he was stuck in the middle of a project, but I don't mind him borrowing it. So Sam currently has my welder. All in all, I'm pretty pumped about how these boat sides turned out, or boat sides since it's not plural yet. And yeah, got a lot more to do. And again, I'll get all that done off camera. That way I don't bore you guys with the constant same old, grind weld. Right? Yeah. The past 2 weeks I've been extremely busy. I've had to work last weekend and then rolled right into this week of work. Again, that's why I haven't made much progress on that. And yeah, so just busy. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you're as excited as I am that we cut more of the Jeep out and we went to this whole boat side route. Which means in the future, we're going to have some boat side sliders welded off the frame. And this thing is just going to get better as we go. Yeah, I like that. All right, I appreciate you guys being here. Chase appreciates you guys being here. And we will see you in the next video. You guys take care. Have a good night. Goodbye.